EzyChart can work with price data from various sources that produce text files. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to run through how to import a text file for use in EzyChart. I'm going to use the free data from the ComSec website as an example. First, let's start with downloading the data file. I make my selections here. I want all securities and ASX equities. I'll select EzyChart as the format and the date I want, then click on Download. I'm going to save the file to a directory I created on my computer earlier. Next, open EzyChart and import this data. Click on Data, then the Import File button. The Import Stocks window is displayed. Now I am going to create a unique exchange code and exchange name for this database, as I want to keep it separate from my other ASX and global databases. So let's click the Add button. The Add External Exchange window will open. Click the Select button, and I'm looking for the directory I created for my import data. Here it is. Next, we type in Australian Stock Exchange and my unique code for this exchange. Let's use ASEX and click on Save. Now I am going to choose the files to import. Click on Select and locate the directory where the text files are. This is the file I want to import. I can also select multiple files just by holding down the Shift key and selecting the files. Let's just leave it as this one. Select Open. I can now see my data files in the table. Next, I need to fine-tune my text file so it's ready for importing. My text file is comma delimited, so I will leave this as is. The date format must be an exact match to the date in the table. I can see it needs to be year, month, day as YYMMDD. I'll leave the factor as 1 to load the data as is, or you can change here if you want to multiply the prices by a factor to alter the decimal placing. Next, I need to match up the column headers in the table so EzyChart knows what data goes where. So let's start with the first column that has the stock code. Click on Configure, select stock code to match the data in the table. And I'll do the same with the date, open, high, low, close, and volume. You don't need to match up all columns, only the ones you want data for. Lastly, click on the Start Import button. When it has finished importing, I can see here the number of stocks updated. I can view the log to see more details of the import or any error messages. If I wanted to import another file, then I would just click on the Select button and choose the new file. But for this exercise, I'm going to click on Finish. EzyChart will shut down and reopen automatically. My new ASEX exchange will be added to the stock selection window, and I can start opening charts. Now that concludes how to import the data of your choice using text files. And in this way, EzyChart can use price data from free online sources. But you can save a whole lot of time if you pair EzyChart with data from Bodhi Gold, as these two programs were designed to work together. Let's take a quick look at the difference. Under Data, instead of clicking on Import File, you just click on Catch Up. And Bodhi Gold will download data you have subscribed to and put it directly into EzyChart.